Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we will be making some lip smacking chicken 65 home style and some street soft noodles. So let's get started. I have about 400 grams of chicken. I'm marinating it with some beetroot organic food color and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, a whole egg. Mix it up well. Now all you need for a good chicken 65 coating is 1 whole egg and maida or all-purpose flour. You do not have to add corn flour, rice flour, any other flour. All restaurants just go ahead and add an egg and maida, and you'll see what wonderful texture it's going to give your chicken 65. So gradually add your maida, and it should be a very sticky batter, a very sticky chicken batter. Your chicken pieces should stick to each other. As you can see how sticky my batter is, how gradually I'm adding and judging how sticky my batter should be. Now add half a teaspoon of vinegar. It gives a very nice tangy taste to my chicken 65. So I'm going to go ahead and add that, mix it well. You do not need to bother about marinating this chicken, just go ahead with frying. Take some hot oil, add your chicken in batches, and look at that wonderful texture. Look at that wonderful thick coating on the outside. That thick coating is what makes your chicken 65 very crispy, which you will not get if you use corn flour. So just egg and maida is the secret to crispy, wonderful chicken 65. Do not bother to give a lot of color. Keep it aside. Now take a pan, take the same oil, about 2 tablespoons, add some chopped garlic, saute it for a minute until light golden brown in color. As you can see, the garlic has fried well. Now we are going to add the curry leaves and 3 slit green chilies. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do it now for amazing content and fresh content on simple cooking and beauty and parenthood. So now I am adding 3 tablespoons of Szechuan chutney, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, some salt and pepper to taste. Mix it all well. Now this is optional. At this point you can add in your chicken 65 and serve, but I want a saucy gravy, so I'm going ahead adding some water. So gradually add some water, and now I'm going to make a slurry of 1 teaspoon of maida with a little water. I'm going to mix it up and I'm going to make my gravy a little more thick. You can completely skip this option if you like a chicken 65 dry. I got out of my ketchup. I used the whole of the ketchup for 65, so I had no ketchup left for noodles. So I wanted to make my chicken 65 a little more saucy so that it pairs well with my noodles. So, but if you have ketchup in hand, do not bother. Jump to the noodles. So follow the instructions on the noodles, the noodle pack. Just follow the instructions. I like to add a pinch of salt, a pinch of oil to my water, and I keep separating my noodles in between. Once it's done, switch off the flame, keep aside. Now take some oil in a wok and add some ginger garlic paste. Let your ginger garlic fry for a good 1 minute. And once that's done, some curry leaves. So because we are making a street style noodles here, we are going to be using curry leaves. It's going to be a little more desi, a little more Indian. Now add some jeera powder, about 1 tablespoon of jeera powder, and onions. In this recipe, try to use less of onions and carrots because they are quite sweeter, and add more of cabbage and capsicum. I was out of capsicum. I had very little, but if you have capsicum, add like a whole good big capsicum and good amount of cabbage and less amount of onions and carrots. Now add 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, pepper to taste, salt to taste, tomato ketchup at this point, about 2 tablespoons for a nice saucy, tangy noodles. Mix it up well. Give it a nice stir. Oh guys, I'm so hungry. Chinese cuisine is my favorite, and chicken 65 with Chinese like noodles or fried rice is my go-to soul food. If it's yours too, do comment in the comment section below. I love to interact with all of you. Next, what we are going to do is, once your veggies are cooked, crispy and soft at the same time, we are going to go ahead and add the noodles. Oopsie, all the noodles fell into the wok, and now it's going to be a big mess. Don't mind that. As you can see, it's so difficult for me to turn around, like flip my noodles. So here is a small kitchen hack I do when ऐसे miseries हो जाते हैं. I take a big scissor and I chop my noodles from between. So that makes it very easy for me to kind of flip my noodles. So chalo, once your noodles are nicely flipped and nicely mixed with your veggies, add a generous amount of 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Do not cook your garam masala, it makes it bitter. Add coriander leaf and keep aside. Fry an egg, take about 2 to 3 eggs, put it in oil, add some salt, pepper, red chili powder. Once it's nicely golden brown, break it with your spatula, add it to your noodles, and voila! Your yummy chicken 65 and delicious street style noodles is ready. Like, share, subscribe. See you again. Bye bye. See you.